Good afternoon, everyone. We're going to have our new lesson for today about transition signal that indicate coherence. What are transition signals? Transition signals, along with repeated words and reference words, are one of the main ways to achieve good cohesion and coherence in your writing. Transition signals are used to signal relationships between ideas in your writing. Let's find out first the meaning of cohesion and coherence. Cohesion is the state of sticking together or of being in close agreement and working well together. Synonym: connection, linkage, interrelatedness. Coherence is the quality or state of cohering, such as systematic or logical connection or consistency. Example: the essay as a whole lacks coherence. Synonym: connection, relations, continuity. As a whole, transition signals connect sentences properly and coherently. Transition signals can be divided into three types. Sentence connectors are used to connect two sentences together. Clause connectors are used to connect two clauses together to form one sentence. Other connectors follow different grammar patterns. Now let's find out the functions of transition signal. To introduce an additional idea, we're going to use the following connectors. Sentence connectors also, besides, furthermore, in addition, moreover, additionally. Clause connectors are and, nor. For the others, we have another plus noun, an additional plus noun. To compare, here are the following connectors. Sentence connectors: likewise, similarly, equally, in the same way. As, like, alike, just like, to be similar to be alike. To be similar, and we also use and, both and, not only but also, neither nor, just as. To show contrast, here are the following connectors that we're going to use. However, in contrast, in, by comparison, on the other hand. Because, as, for, since. We also have to differ, to be unlike, to be dissimilar, to be different from, compared to, compared with. To introduce a cause or reason, we are going to use the following connectors. For this reason, for, because, since, as. The result from, to be the result of, due to, because of, to be the effect of, to be the consequence of, as a result of, as a consequence of. To introduce an effect or result, we're going to use the following connectors: as a result, as a consequence, consequently, hence, thus, therefore. We're going to use also the connector so. To result in, to cause, to have an effect on, to affect, the cause of, the reason for. To give an example, here are the following connectors, such as, like, an example of, to demonstrate, for example, for instance, in this case. To show chronological order, here are the following connectors that we're going to use. First, second, first of all, then, next, now, then, soon, last, finally, previously, meanwhile, gradually, after that, since, then. To show order of importance, here are the following connectors. Above all, first and foremost, more, most importantly, primarily. A more important, the most important, the second most significant, the primary. To conclude, connectors are all in all, in brief, in conclusion, in short, in summary. To summarize, to conclude, it is clear that we can see that the evidence suggests these examples show. To identify or clarify, the connectors are, in other words, specifically. To reinforce, the connectors are, in fact, of course. To show concession, connectors are, however, nevertheless, although, in spite of. To show an alternative, connectors are alternatively, otherwise, unless. Let us use it in sentences. Crystal likes camping in the mountains. Also, Crystal is an experienced hiker. What is the transition signal or connector used in this sentence? Correct, the word also. Also indicates an additional idea. Next, to conclude, I want to wish you all a very happy holiday season. In this sentence, what transition signal is used? Correct, to conclude. To conclude indicates transition signals that gives conclusion. Next, the cat is as proud as a king. What transition signal is used in the sentence? The word as. This indicates transition signal showing comparison. Not all birds eat berries. For example, vultures eat dead animals. In this sentence, what transition signal or connector is used? Correct. For example. The transition signal for example indicates transition showing example. Last sentence. I was late to work because of the heavy traffic. In this sentence, what transition signal or connector is used? Correct. Because of. Because of is a transition signal that indicates cause. I think you are all ready. Let's do it!